Today, we review the best 5 sous vide machines that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Chefsteps Joule Sous Vide. This sous vide is Bluetooth Wi-Fi controlled through the Joule app, which includes a visual doneness scale as well as recipes, some of which you will have to pay to access. As this sous vide is app controlled, you will need to ensure you have the correct operating system on your phone, tablet. Unfortunately, if this pairing breaks down, there is no manual control for the sous vide machine.
Number 2.
Anova Culinary Sous Vide. This sous vide is Bluetooth compatible and the Anova app allows you to control it remotely. The app also allows guided cooking, has over 1,000 recipes and video tutorials. Like any app-controlled equipment, there can be issues if your Bluetooth connectivity is less than great, and on this machine, if you lose Bluetooth during cooking, the timer may reset itself.
Number 3.
Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Nano. The 800 watts kitchen gizmo sous vide has a touchscreen control panel and cooks up to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. This sous vide is ETL certified, and for safety, it will only work when water is above a minimum level. This also comes with recipes and a temperature guide.
Number 4.
Sancerre Sous Vide. The Anova Nano Sous Vide can be controlled either through its touchscreen or through the Anova app. The app also contains a number of recipes. This 750 watts sous vide has a temperature range of between 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 197 degrees Fahrenheit. Although this comes with a 2-year limited warranty from the manufacturer, this sous vide will not work as well if you have limited Bluetooth connectivity.
Number 5.
Monoprice Sous Vide. Although this does come with a 1-year limited warranty, a number of owners have struggled to contact customer services and get satisfactory resolution to their queries or warranty claims.